Lacan utilizes an optical schema to demonstrate a few points about the imaginary, the symbolic, and the subject's misrecognition, or méconnaissance. The schema comprises a vase, concealed flowers, and a concave mirror that, once aligned, produces an inverted bouquet image within the vase. Lacan adapts this from experiments in geometrical optics to illustrate how the subject perceives a coherent image of itself, the ego, that is in fact an optical effect, a construction rather than an essence. Just as the bouquet appears whole in the mirror, the ego appears as a coherent unity. The flowers, as internal drive elements or fragments of the bodily experience, are contained, given form and cohesion by being situated in the vase, which is akin to the body. In a variation of the optical schema of the inverted bouquet, Lacan involves a second mirror. This more complex optical effect demonstrates that it's not merely the subject's own experience of the image in the mirror that matters, but that this experience also involves reference to another set of symbolic coordinates, that of the big other in the symbolic order.